Hello! Welcome, welcome! Welcome in, everyone! Hello! Does this... This works, right? Surely. Are all the things live? I think all the things are live. Ah, seems good, seems good. Let's call it education. No, we do chat. Okay. Yeah, welcome in. So, it's time for us to actually code a little bit. So, we have an architecture that we're planning to do. It's a bit much. But in general, we want better chats. Because, let's be honest, the current way chats are implemented in most cases are they're just that bad. They're just plain old bad. So, what I'm using, Social Stream Ninja. Dog shit. Castle Labs caffeinated. Kind of dog shit. What did I see? Right, there was like something from Nutty. Cool in concept, you need to install StreamerBot for that, so you host it locally. So a lot of things are just locally hosted. And that means they are... Let's just call it unstable, because you don't, as a developer, you don't actually... You cannot fine-tune your environment. Anyhow. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna rethink how chats should work, how chat overlays should work. And we're gonna make them good, and we're gonna stand up because sitting hurts. I don't know. Ugh! Okay, also, what you're gonna do is fix my internet connection. How about no, my guy? How about no? Cool. So, biggest thing we are gonna try to achieve today is write some code without AI and write some code that is going to implement the basic foundation for how we're going to access databases and how we're going to access the overlays. So we have a few things that we want to do. We're gonna write a few models, we're gonna write a repository, and some handlers. We already have tests for it, so this is because I'm a lazy fuck, and I don't want to deal with my shit breaking all the time. We're going to do test-driven development. That is a technique where you write the tests and then the code. It's a little bit weird sometimes. Usually I don't like it, but I know that LLMs exceed at that because they can test what they're doing. So, since this is in general a very heavily influenced project by LLMs, I'm gonna use some techniques to make their life easier, even if it means mine isn't. Because I don't really like test-driven development. I like writing my code, trying it out, seeing that it doesn't work, and then cry in a corner. That's how we do that here. So, yeah. We're just gonna start with the first funny thing, and that will be bum, bum, bum. We need to start Docker, apparently. So I actually do have like a little task list where we need to. Bro, bitch already wrote everything. Well, that's fine. We're gonna see. I was like, hey, give me like something that I can achieve in 3 hours in this project. And they were like, oh yeah, here's the code for that. Cool, thank you, I guess. Anyhow. Could you please continue? There we go, cool. So, we do need a little Docker. So, it's going to open up another terminal. Make Docker push up. Cool. Failed to calculate checksum. Coordinates are not found. Ding ding ding. Right, you're trying to copy this, but that doesn't exist yet. That's fun. Okay, let's debug this first. So, we have our makefile. Docker up goes into deployments. So we're going to look into deployments and see a Docker Compose YAML. Then we see the auth service seems to break in the auth service builder. So let's see. This Postgres, Redis, auth service. Context is services, auth file, Docker file. Services, auth service, Docker file. So this exists. And we fail here because we don't actually have a go sum. That probably will be fixed as soon as I just run that locally one time, right? So let's go into this directory. CD services, auth service, go mod tidy. Cool. Let me search what the go sum actually does. Go.sum file missing. Should just be go mod tidy, yeah. Do we need to reload this from disk? Apparently not. Interesting. Oh, no. Now it's there. It just doesn't show up. Okay, everything's fine. It's your dependency versions? Yeah, but I was confused why it didn't show up when I ran go mod tidy. And it does. It just doesn't show up here because... bullshit, I guess. Okay. I'm pretty sure... Cool. I need to do this here too. Go mod tidy. Nice. Expand go.mod. Oh, why does it do that? What the fuck? Well, whatever. Thank you, Goland. Make Docker up. Auth service builder copy. Go mod some way. Why do we still error on here? Usem not found. Where's the working directory here? Context ... So wait a second. Wait a second. Wait a second. The context is bullshit. Right? Let's look at this. So it's in deployments, which means the context is the root. And if it tries to copy from there, that does not work. So the auth services is in /services /auth service. Only you wrote it yourself? My guy, I would do the same fucking things. I very much have so like projects where I've just forgot to add the thing, and then I tried to build the image and it was like, yeah, I can't copy that. Or I can't use the class that you're referencing, and I'm like, yeah, because I fucking didn't add it. So it's like, this is something I would totally do too. I'm not gonna say that I wouldn't. There you go. Okay, and now he's unhappy that we copy in the Docker file shared. I was kidding. I mean... Oh my... Wait, shared though? We go up to services, we go up and then into shared. That seems right. Why is that not right? Shared not found. Am I dumb? That's correct. No way to save up for the stream frame. You do that? I actually need to go to the toilet really quick. So I'm gonna just leave you with this and go pee really quick. 1 sec. Give me one. Give me back my pop. I can't. Maybe after we did this soon, TM. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. But I need to go toilet. See you. So I have a solution for the pop. Pogly. Good with Pogly. You can just click. Don't even need to spend your things. I mean, it was basically free anyway, so just use Pogly for that. I think it should... I don't know if it should. I think it should actually... Should it? Well, it should. Okay, so. Easy one is always run ls-a. Rerun this. Oh, no, wait a second. That does not work like that. I forgot. What did you do to the Skugs? What do you mean they're there? Yep. They're there. There's a review of the headset already. Of course, but I mean... Do we care? Not really. Maybe funny, but also, like... Cool. I am so confused why this doesn't work. No. Context is... I mean, slash services slash... Am I misunderstanding what context means in this context? Or am I just going crazy? I mean, I could also just go crazy. I was crazy once. They put me in a room. A rubber room with rats. The rats made me crazy because they did not satisfy my rat desire. If you got that reference, then we can be friends. Why? Why? Slash shared not found. Why are you using slash shared? I'm so... What the fuck did Valve do? They used black magic? What do you mean? With the eye tracking and the dynamic resolution? Or what? Did you ever go back to finish Spearmaster? I actually didn't know. We still need to do that, but maybe... 500 follows. Look at the weight. What? How is the head strap double the weight of the core module? Excuse me? That makes no sense. Oh! The battery is in the head strap. The battery is in the head strap. That makes sense. That makes sense. Yeah, I mean, then that doesn't... What do you mean? Still like very... 500 grams for a headset? Yeah, it's pretty light. Oh god. What is your best German person impression? What is my best German person impression? Weiß ich nicht. Keine Ahnung. Echt. Kein Plan. Anyway, why? Guys. I need your collective brain here. Let's go to the settings. There is a way to like scroll to zoom in. I know that. Alt Shift Komma. Bro, it doesn't work. Oh, it does. Okay, good. So, this breaks. This line breaks. But this one doesn't. Is it just the problem that we don't have this yet? Maybe that is a problem. Run mkdir /shared /app/ Is that the issue? That is not the issue. Cool. I have not, but that shouldn't work. Because this is here. So, one is in services. One more is in alt chat. No fucking... Maybe it isn't. Maybe it isn't. Okay, no. Okay, it breaks. It breaks. But shared is not in services. Shared is one below. Yeah. So, with one, we leave auth service to services. With the second one, we leave services to go to alt chat. And share this in all chat. So 3 shouldn't work. Is it 2? Or is it just 1? That can't be it. I thought there was another deer, yeah. No, that doesn't work either. Okay, all is good. All is good. My It even tells me that it's shared is there. What do you mean it's not? Oh, it's a deer? Yeah. But copy doesn't care if it's a deer or not. CP cares. But copy doesn't. Right? Yeah, but... Oh no, yeah. Now, we have 2 options. We have 2 options. We ask AI. We look at the documentation. So we're gonna look at the documentation first. Just run ls. You can't. You can't. Copies files and directories. Oh, you can? Okay, okay. Wait a second. Wait a second. Where was it? So you can. So telling me you can do this. And get an output. Because what we're doing right now is just caching. Thank you for the amazing image though, Caesar. Thank you. I know you did that. Because you were silent. Why there? So, because go. Because go. Yeah, but you know, if you block out the entire camera, then I might as well not have a camera, right? So is that the is that what you're trying to tell me? I mean, we can try to just copy it into app, I guess. But I'm pretty sure that's also not gonna work. Yeah, doesn't work. No, do dots. Yeah, but dots doesn't... Sure. It still fails. Still fails. The issue is here. Also, what command are you running? Copy! It's just copy. Copy A to B. To build the image. Go build. In your terminal. Let's Docker compose. Docker compose up. I'll probably build. No, it's just Docker compose up. Oh. Dun dun. Have you tried adding dash dash build? If I mean, we can do that. And we can also just run build, but hey, yeah, sure. Let's add dash dash build, but I don't think it will work. Because this is building. Load build to definition from Docker file. Building. Because it never built. Like, if you have something that has never built, then it will automatically build. Oh, it's the same issue! What? Yeah. Something is wrong with where this thinks it is. And I don't know why. But a sandwich or ship... It's a motor! It's a B20B from Volvo. Okay, you can't see the terminal, that's a fair point. Can I split this? I'm not allowed? I can. Split right. Are you shitting me? And now I'm not allowed to move this over there? Oh, well, fuck you. Make Docker dash up. Is that better? A little bit. What language is that, by the way? So this is a Docker file. That is just Docker. That's not really a language. It's something. I mean, is Docker a language? This makes no sense at all. / shared not found. Because we are not talking about / shared. What we could try is dot shared? Well, no, dot. We tried that. Pretty sure it depends on your current working gear, no? Yeah. The right side depends on that. You're right. The right side does depend on my current working gear, but dot doesn't work, so we have basically this part is not the problem because the dot doesn't work. I mean, if it's different from all else, then I guess so. I mean, for the builds, I mean this one. And we do give this context, meaning we basically tell it, hey, you run in this directory. Because, you know how I know that? Oh, wait a second, maybe it doesn't. No. Absolutely does work like that, because we can find GoSum. And GoSum exists here. It doesn't exist here. It does only exist here. Where is your Docker Compose file? There. But that doesn't matter, because we're literally telling him, hey, you're running in services or service. And it does work. There, but I can't see. Well, chat is in the way. Here. Deployments. And in the Docker Compose, we tell, hey, go one up, go into services, go into all service, and that's your context. Do I misrepresent Docker Compose context? I don't think so. Compose build specification. Where is it with the context? Additional contexts. No, it's still the build steps. It's fine. Build images from source. That does not explain anything. Oh, there it is. Context. Defines either a path to a directory containing a Docker file or a URL to a Git repository. The value is supplied as a relative part. It is interpreted as a relative to the project directory. Compose warns you about the absolute path used to define the context to... yeah, okay. No, that's absolutely fine. If not set explicitly, context defaults to project directory dot, which we don't do. We do set it, and dot would be deployments. Must be inside the context of the build. You cannot put on something into context directory and separate. Oh, fucking hell. So we need to go use this as the context. And go from here as dot slash services slash I don't know why this doesn't do shit for me right now. Go dot mod. Yay. I might not need this. Yeah. For sure I don't need that. Factory Docker file, right? Because the Docker file is at a different position now, which is here. Oh my god, it actually works. Oh, no. Go mod run download. Why? Did not complete successfully. Requires go greater than 24. Okay, yeah, why do we use mod go? There we go, cool. Easy clap. Right. I'm just gonna refactor the stream layout really quick because Jesus Christ, this is annoying. I like working on that side. Jimmy? Cool. Oh, that might be better. Right? Surely that's better. But thanks, Bims. That was really helpful. I prefer the right side. Oh. Sleeping on my right side. Okay, cool. So, shit didn't work because Gomod run download. Shared Gomod no such file or directory. Shared. Okay, that's fine. I'm a sleeping on my back person. Yeah, I don't know. I don't like sleeping on my right side actually. Which is really good because then I can watch TV. Oh. Interesting. Prefer sleeping on my left over the right. I sleep on my left and work on my sleep on my right and work on my left because that's the side we should be walking on. Fuck the right. I don't know if that make any sense. Reading Go mod, no such. Wait, but share does have a Go mod. Fuck both sides, I'm going up. There is no political middle. There is no middle. You are either with us or against us. To be honest, like the middle is like kind of fucking stupid. So I'm going up. No. Not allowed. Only two-dimensional. I'm not source code. Ah! I noticed something. Get that. It's gone for a second. It's just me. Did you move the furniture? No, it's just you. Nothing changed. Trust. Nothing changed. Ever. Huh. Oh. Yes, please continue. Um. Why are we doing dot dot slash dot dot slash? Now you have shared inside shared file? No, wait, we are in app. It would be an app slash shared. Pretty sure. How do we echo? Come on, come on, how do we echo? Run. Hello, Hector. Run. Echo. ls dash lr. That's not the point. That is the point. We want to know what we're fucking doing. No, okay, it doesn't do shit. Wasn't there an add echo? Pro tip, exit. Oh. But I was confused. Coffee shared dot. Oh, oh, that's what you mean. Might be. Eh! It didn't break. Oh yeah, you're right. Run ls exit. Oh, because we get an error in the output of the last run command. We're gonna show that. We do have the next error anyway. It just did not care. No, wait. Did it care? It just did not care. Fancy. Yeah, Oh no, apparently Docker Compose handles this a little bit different. Anyway, that's fine. That's fine. Right. I don't see the left side of the screen on TikTok. Oh yeah. Good point. Eh. That's where the fun is. Docker Compose doesn't show build logs? No, no, apparently not. Apparently not. But yeah. The ls exit just it doesn't care. Which is interesting, but I mean, sure, why not? Okay, did not complete successfully. Execute 1. Yay! Just Docker built it. I mean, I'm not surprised that it doesn't work because we haven't, like, the auth service has tests, but it doesn't have the implementation of it yet, I think. Well, maybe auth service seems fine. Let me look at what I was actually planning on doing again. Kinda derailed again. Dun. Overlay. The auth service should be done. It isn't. Right. Yeah. I'm doing good. I'm doing good. I have to exit 1 or 0. Probably 1. Because 0 is a successful exit and you won't get debug logs. Let's try. There we go. There we go. Yeah, now it works. Okay, good. Thank you. Okay, we shall... keep this in mind. Okay, so... this doesn't work. Why doesn't it work? We shall see. CD... services... auth service. Go... run. May not go? Oh god, where's the entry point here? Ah, command, yeah. What do I actually get? Ah. Okay, but wait a second. Undefined shared. Those are the shared ones, which we can't import because we don't put them here yet. Because we're referencing this fun stuff. Makes sense that we can't actually run that. Arch user? What do you mean arch user? How do you get that in there? Without making weird things. I was thinking about, okay, obviously we can just copy that into here, but that's bad. Does it? What do you mean what I mean? It can't find these things. By the way. This funny little guy. Okay, so the problem we're currently experiencing, as far as I can see, running this locally, we have an issue that we have a shared library, which we usually just plonk in to the what's it called? Into the Docker image, where it will then be able to find it. But we currently have that somewhere where we can't. So I don't know. Oh, wait a sec. No, this is the same issue. ./shared does not exist. Oh no. Oh no. There's the issue. Hey, there's the issue. Replace this with ./shared? Let's look at the Docker file again. So we copy shared into the working directory. Yeah, that should be fine. Make Docker up. Okay. Which skill mod did I modify? Oh, the wrong one. ./shared does not exist. Okay, so we still have the same issue. Do we just do shared? I think. Must be a directory path starting with dot or okay, so ./ should work. But we might also do /app slash shared. That would be rooted. Go into shared and check modules. First of all, what the fuck? Why are we still there? Just noticed. Okay, cool. Should be fine as is. No replace. You say so? I'm not sure. Nope. You need to replace because otherwise it's trying to download something. Oh, we can't download that. Go run mod tidy. In which one? Oh! After you change the file. Why does the Docker file not do that? By the way. Oh, because right, yeah, that's why. That's why. The make file should do that though. Doesn't. Because you don't do that. It should not, by the way. Why not? It's like one of the essential commands, no? Auth service or mods. I wouldn't. Why? Okay, downloading this thing. Yeah, that doesn't work. Oh no, what? You can't download that because that doesn't work. Just make sure. And that seems like a good idea to do. But yeah, that doesn't work because I have not published these packages. So like, they cannot be downloaded. Like, why the heck would it know where to get this? I'm pretty sure we need to do the replace and properly find out where it actually is. This thing is. And what we can just do is run this on slash. Maybe not the best idea actually. Let's do app. Which should just be this, but this is okay. Yeah, should be fine. See what's funny? Shared doesn't exist here. However, what does exist is middleware, which doesn't exist in the auth service, but in shared. So how about we do that again? Is it actually in shared? Or is it somewhere else? It actually is not there. It is... This is what we wanted. Because copy takes the what is in the in the directory and copies it somewhere. I made that mistake way too often. I was confused why I would do that here differently here. Yeah, no. Yeah. But you did copy shared earlier. That is what we think, but we didn't verify that. I mean, okay, I didn't have the dot slash. Let's, okay, but you know what? Let's look at this. Sure. Let's see. Nope. Same thing. Same thing. You sure it's not cached? It is building. And here, copy shared. What do you mean it's cached? It's literally this copy. The problem was the context, I forgot. Yeah. Initially. I mean, it was something with this too, but I forgot. Okay, what was the issue now? The issue was did not complete successfully because updates to Go mod needed. Updated. Sure. Maybe it's actually intelligent to do this. Maybe go mod ID. Yeah, it seems like it actually does something. Download does not seem to be needed anymore. I think Gomo tidy in the Docker file seems fine. It does build now. I mean... Oh, no! It failed. Shared Redis new client is undefined. Middleware cause middleware is undefined. Okay, is that actually just undefined in the code? We're in the Docker file. Yeah, that was like the first thing I said. People don't listen to me. Ever. Let's look at shared middleware. Course.go. Yeah. Doesn't seem to exist. Yeah, I don't think that just exists here. Was that make file? That was like one of the iterations. I was like, I should put that in the Docker file. Or maybe... And then I was like, wait a second, I can't do that there because I don't have the Go mod. But I do. Okay, so... What? Okay, yeah, that is just an issue with the auth thingy. Is that too bad? I don't know. We should be fine. I think that should be fine now. I'm gonna make this entire app monolithic. No, you won't. How are you gonna make it scale? And the problem is that you need to make it scale. Because... put monolith into your serial. The biggest issue is that with a monolithic design, you will get rate limited by YouTube's API. That is a really annoying problem to have. Because, again, YouTube's fucking API is just, hey, do you have a new message yet? I don't know why they did that, but that's the thing. Okay, so, I mean, sure. But then this is actually just this what I want. And I... In the main.go, I should just call course, right? Got new. Which takes in a config. That seems fine. Oh no, wait a sec. What? Yeah, fuck that. We're just gonna... it's gonna start coding. Fuck the auth service. Hello. So, we have tests. Name all healthy. But without the vibe. I am this close on just vibe coding again, you know that? Because we have been on here 1.5 hours. We have not made progress. Like jack shit. So not making progress is part of the progress? Nah. I mean, what did we learn in 1.5 hours? Do you remember the issues we had? Do you remember how we solved them? I don't. Maybe I'm just old. But like... Again, will you program? Not for work, right? No, not for work. Not for work. Just... That this vibe code base is a mess. Actually, I don't think we learned that. My code bases are always a mess. Like, this isn't a new thing. But we're working on a new chat overlay because the other one is just dog shit and broken. Mine are always clean. Uh-huh. Okay, wait. You know what? I will not let stuff like that slide. You know that? I'm only coding Python and HTML. Don't understand a thing from this one. This is gold. This is not too bad. So and these are tests. So tests always look very strange. So you give a test a name. Then like some kind of interface. Where you have like your body and there's like some things in there. And then you have a user ID. Some repository that you mark. And what you want. And you just define all these funny tests. And then you just loop through the tests. And check if what you want is actually what you get. Got to go because you have to speed. Yeah. On the right account. Oh, will I? Will I? I don't know. There you go. Okay. Let's look at your latest thing. What is your latest thing? Not funny? Don't worry. I wouldn't. I mean... Experimenting? Do I think that looks good? This is nothing you wrote yourself. I know that. You don't write stuff like this. You edit docs? Bullshit you did. You copied those from somewhere. I will not believe that you a microsecond that you actually wrote docs. This is the code I'm used to. I wrote the code at least. Looks more like you copied most of it from like other projects. and let your IDE autofill the rest. From my own project, yeah, you know, shit. And what did you get that code from? We all know that like 90% of programming is finding a project that does something similar and copying that. Oh, what the fuck is GLSL? Oh, shader language, right? Look at all these magic numbers. Other text shaders, I didn't make those. Ah, yeah. So you didn't make those. So you just got them from somewhere else. Yeah, stop. Alright, let me set up my IDE a little bit more because this is fucking annoying that everything is red. Why? Stop looking at the resource pack? No. How do I get IntelliJ to like actually Goland to actually do things? Go settings. I don't see cappuccino macchiato. Where? What? Arch. Yes. Oh, this is a different... Okay, let's use 25 then. Why are we using 24 if 25 is out already? A theme? No, this is Ori and the Blind Forest. The theme. There was a way to import all these, right? I hate you. Lol. Wasn't there like something that I should run? Models overlay go. Yeah. That's bullshit. Yeah. You have everything planned through, I know. Help resources. I go, no, no. Oh, thank you. I'll stand. Fuck you. I stood the entire time when I didn't have to. That's all. Nothing that we want. Go modern tidy. And go work. I thought that I could do something along the lines where of. It doesn't really want to do shit here. I might just restart Goldhunt. Oh, I love it. Yeah, and this is why we don't want this chat thing anymore. Because it just hallucinates all the friggin' time. So annoying. So annoying. Sure. Are we allowed to do things now? Or is it still not working at all? Go settings. Sure. There's Unicode. Let's go. Sure, sure. Can I just do yes? Do all the things? Oh, deprecated. Okay, cool. Oh boy. Conflicting replacements for shared. Yeah. I mean... maybe that is just the thing that I need. Mm-hmm. I am so confused. Ah, it doesn't find the override. So the override is just... ./shared? Nope. I don't know. How much time have we spent? Ah, we do still have a little bit. I'm still a little bit frustrated that this doesn't all just work out of the box. Go list. Failed to run. Cool. Go list. Lost. Lil. Okay, yeah. That is still the same issue. Oh boy. I think I'm gonna continue off stream a little bit. And try to get this to a state where it actually does run. And then we shall see. So, I know I did cut it a little bit short. Okay, well, 20 minutes. So. I don't know. Anyway, good night, everyone. Bye-bye. Bye. We shall continue Friday. And then I will have a working prototype where we can actually play around with a little bit. So, till then. Good night. Good night. Bye-bye.